First thing we're going to do, we're going to try to turn this into about a 24-inch disc. Now, what I have in my hands is an Easy Wood faceplate. It's really cool looking because it actually, their jaws expanded to it and hold it, so that's kind of cool. So what I've done, off my very poorly cut out circle here, because I can't see through the bottom when I'm doing that, I've got this laid out in pretty much the center. And I'm going to take some heavy duty screws that have really aggressive thread on it, and we're going to use an impact drill to go into here, and we're going to put these in. And we want really good contact here. You can see that small crack that I was worried about, can't you? This might be a design modification halfway through this project, but we won't know till we get there. And the next step is I got to get this on the lathe. Some modifications to get this to be in balance. My electric chainsaw broke, so we're using the gas-powered one in my shop. The door is open, and we do have the dust filtration system going. Don't do this at home. That's why you watch me. Okay, you can see I'm sweating like a pig. I've actually turned this off. This has a freewheel, American robust lathe. All the lathes have a freewheel. If you have something really, really heavy, it won't stop it because it'd unwind. So it's going to sit here and turn a bit. One way to stop that is I can just probably do this a little bit. There we go. So you can see with the chainsaw, we made this pretty neat into a flat platter, and it's kind of in round now. So I'm going to start chunking away on this. This is the bottom. I'm going to put a tenon on here. This is the top. And I'm going to keep my eye on this crack as we keep going, because I could wind up with 2 platters or bowls or whatever this is going to be, and I don't want that to happen. Anyway, okay, I'll get her started up again. Brian's going to get out of the kill zone. Here we go.